Graduation was exciting. But then I had one question. What's my next move? Some of my friends were moving back home. Some were moving to another state. Others were waiting for their next apartment. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe. We share moving tips for international students across the US. The first thing I ordered was the UC moving kit. Everything I needed came together. After packing, premium pickup came directly to my apartment. I didn't have to carry heavy boxes. If you're moving back home, UC Moving handles international shipping from start to finish. Moving to another state? UC Moving delivers anywhere in the US. Still waiting for your next place? Their storage service keeps everything safe until you're ready. What I liked most wasn't just the shipping. Everything worked together. Packing, pickup, storage, moving. No matter where you're going next, UC Moving helps make moving easier. I definitely recommend it to other Michigan State students. Save more from the start. Move with UC Moving.